Hey Ava,
Hi Franz,
how are you?
I'm good.
You bought something new?
For my uni.
Let's unpack it.
Okay. I'm super excited for this one. So let's see. Okay.
So what's in there? Wow!
That's my iPad.
An iPad.
Yes.
Look at it.
That's pretty.
Look at this.
Wow.
Small the pulp part.
Nice. That's
Super fine pulp. You almost don't see that it's paper. How beautiful.
crazy. I'm impressed. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it.
Fantastic eco-friendly packaging.
And
Have
it
fun
looks
with the iPad.
good too. Such a nice design. Love it.
See you next time. Thank you, Ava.
Yeah.
Bye
You're
bye.
welcome. Bye.
Bye.